Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be my weekly weigh-in update on the ketogenic diet. I'm going to share with you how my week went and how I'm planning to attack this coming week. If you're interested in hearing what I have to say, please stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you've had an amazing week. Tongue twister. Let's just jump in. Let me tell you how this week has been for me. It went super good. I'm really excited. I stayed on my macros. I have counted all my macros. I have counted every bit of food, and surprisingly it wasn't too obsessive. I am using Carb Manager. I am tracking everything, and I am staying completely within all my allotted macros, I guess. Yeah, so I'm definitely using Carb Manager. I am still intermittent fasting. And honestly, I feel like I'm finally at the point where I am fat adjusted. I definitely noticed that my hunger is really dwindled down. I am doing about 2 meals a day, and then usually my lunch is my bulletproof coffee. I am incorporating bulletproof coffee again. It's been, oh God, I forgot how good it is. Like, it's definitely just that pick-me-up that I need. I definitely have been feeling the mental clarity. I feel really good. I'm super positive. I'm just, who I've been in the last couple weeks has just been a complete 180 for me, and I'm just really enjoying life. Definitely waking up every morning super positive, super excited to start my day. Before I even get out of bed, I'm just like, all right, this is going to be a great day. I'm so thankful to be up. I'm so thankful for whatever great things this day has to bring for me. And I am open to receive every great positive thing that is out there. And even if it's not the most positive thing, I try to look at the positive side, and that has just done wonders for me. I have been killing my workouts. I tell you guys last week, I did join a gym. I am at Planet Fitness. I've been working out, hitting my cardio, and I just feel like my body is transforming. I did jump on the scale this week and I lost 2 pounds. So that's really great. I mean, 2 pounds probably in a month doesn't seem like a lot to a lot of people, but I am going to insert a picture right now of when I started to right now, and guys, my inches are just falling off. You can totally see the difference in my waist, in my thighs, in my face. I mean, even in like my collarbone, I feel like it's really looking good. I don't look like depleted. I definitely feel like I look healthy, and I'm just really enjoying it. I've been on my vitamins. I've added some new vitamin supplements, and I don't know, I'm really enjoying all of that. I am on the lookout for a new pre-workout. I did try one that my dad kind of suggested to me, and wasn't a fan. There was a lot of carbs in it and just didn't work out. So I'm gonna probably go tomorrow and check out. I want to get a new pre-workout, and I also want to get some BCAAs to drink while I'm at the gym. So if you guys are unfamiliar, basically the pre-workout is going to give you your oomph, get you stoked, get you ready to go, give you that energy to get your workout. And then your BCAAs are your branched chain amino acids. Those are going to help, you know, keep you going in the gym. It's going to help with muscle recovery and all such things. So I really want to get something like that on board. I'm going to go ahead and start sharing some more full days of eating so you guys can kind of see how my days are going, to kind of see what my days are consisting of now that I feel like I'm way more fat adjusted. Like I said, my serving sizes are a lot smaller. I am weighing out even my proteins. Yeah, as far as intermittent fasting goes, I do it Monday through Friday. Saturday and Sunday, I kind of just take the days off. I don't eat too late, but like I know like during the week, I have to start eating by like 8:30, 9 o'clock if I'm hungry, because I want to be done eating by like 4:30, 5 o'clock. Because, you know, especially when I'm working and stuff like that, I do work during the day. So I usually just allot myself for our like meal time is like between 8:30, 9 o'clock. So I try to, you know, have that time open for me. What else? Yeah, like I said, I definitely can feel the changes in my body. I feel really strong. I'm definitely seeing, you know, more curves, more definition. I'm doing a lot more ab work now that I'm at the gym because I have a lot more different machines offered to me. And I'm just really enjoying putting this time into myself. I can tell you that Tuesday is going to be my 35th birthday. I'll be 35 on Tuesday on the 29th, and at 35 years old, I feel like I am getting to be the strongest and in my best physical shape and mental state that I've ever been in my life. I definitely feel like I owe a lot of this mental clarity, not only to keto, but to just my overall frame of mind. I have been just really practicing positivity, opening myself up for great things, definitely just stepping away and not being such a negative asshole every time something arises. You know, I hated waking up thinking that the world was against me. So like I said, every day I wake up knowing that the world's on my side, that I'm going to kick ass every day. And I'm going to tell you something, just practice it for a few days, and positivity and enthusiasm is so contagious that you'll notice even the people in your personal life will completely change their attitude. I've noticed it here, and it's made a world of difference in my personal relationships. Even my husband's like, man, I've been in such a good mood lately, because I don't know if it's because you're in a good mood and I'm in a good mood, but it really is a game changer. And yeah, I definitely feel sorry for dropping the F-bomb, but I do. I just feel so good. And if I can pass that on to you guys, I wish I could just literally just bottle it up and give it to you, because I mean, I'm not talking bad about any way of eating, but definitely when I was on Weight Watchers, I did not feel good. I don't know if I have a gluten intolerance, if there's something in the foods that I was eating, if it's because I was eating a lot of like kind of crappy stuff because it was allotted in my points, but I didn't feel good. I always felt run down. I always felt tired. I felt hungry. I felt like crap. And now I just feel so energetic. I don't hurt. Like I don't have the aches and the pains. Yeah, so definitely if you guys are struggling, you know, and find yourself like, why am I not gaining weight? You know, definitely watch, you know, look at the labels, and maybe just take a few days out and just kind of count everything. Get the carb manager going and kind of see where you're at. Maybe it's the portions are too big, or maybe you're going over it a certain way that you didn't think you were doing. That's what was happening to me. A lot of people say, oh, well, you're not strict keto. You're more lazy keto because you don't eat clean keto. I don't care. That's pretty much my answer. I am eating, my keto diet, I guess, is pretty much surrounded by, it's for me. It's serving my life and what, you know, works for me. If it's strict, if it's lazy, if it's mediocre, whatever. If it's just dumb keto, I don't care. This is what works for me. This is how I'm going to do it. And I highly suggest that you guys don't fall victim to keto labels and what exactly practice of keto you are following. Do what works for you, okay? Maybe 20 net carbs isn't enough for you. Maybe you have to go up to 25. I'm up to 25. Do I ever hit that? No, but I always know I have that wiggle room if I need to. Am I always hitting my fats? No, some days I'm just full and I'm done and I don't eat anymore. Some days I'll hit them, maybe go over 5 or 6 grams. It just varies, you know. You have to feed your body accordingly. Do not starve yourself, okay? And that's just my advice. You have to make this work for you for long term. You have to feel good about it. Intermittent fasting for the first couple days really sucked, but now that I'm used to it and I just like the way it goes. I definitely feel the change in my body. I feel really, really good. So I'm going to go ahead and actually wrap this video up. It's going to be real short and sweet. My plans for next week, keep on track. I'm going to keep counting. I'm going to keep being within my time frames of eating. I'm going to keep killing my workouts, and I'm going to keep looking at the positive end of things. Like I said, my birthday is this week. Do I feel like I'm gonna eat a bunch of shit? I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. I don't really have the taste for sweets anymore, so it doesn't bother me not to have the cakes and ice creams. I'll have one just because my kids like to sing happy birthday, but you know, that stuff doesn't bother me anymore. And I promise, some people probably starting this think I'm crazy and I'm like kind of BSing them. Eventually you'll just get over it too, and it just doesn't bother you, you know. So but yeah, these are all things that, like, I feel like when you finally become like in ketosis, when you finally become fat adjusted, when it finally all starts making sense, you will feel it. A lot of people told me don't even bother with the keto strip, so I didn't even bother, and I could just tell you that I feel it. I feel the clarity. I feel just amazing. and I wish I can give this feeling to all of you, because guys, stay on trend. This feeling is coming and it is amazing. So I will see you guys next week. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up and get ready for the day, and I'm going to spend some time with my family. And I love you guys, and I will see you next video. Look out for some really great stuff. I'm going to have some more fashion videos I got coming up this week. I'm going to do some more full days of eating. I got a lot of good stuff planned that hopefully will help you guys on your journey as well. So I love you guys. Have a great weekend. Thanks for vibing with me. If you guys are new here, we do this type of video every Saturday, and I just let you know how it's going and what I did great or what I did wrong and what I'm going to do to make the next week better. So let me know how your week went and what you did great, what you're going to work on, all those things, okay? All right, guys, I love you, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
I leave the TV